Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to rotate photos in Lightroom. So if you want to rotate photos in Lightroom Classic, here is a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is select the photo you want to rotate, go to the top menu and click on photos. So if you want to rotate, just rotate to the left or rotate to the right. You can also use the alternative method, which is the keyboard method. You can use the shortcut button, which is Ctrl plus to the left, or if it is Ctrl plus, rotate to the right. You can also use the CMD method, which is CMD plus the plus button or the minus button on the Mac. So if you are a Mac user, you can also use the method. If you want to use the develop model, you can also use the method, the develop model method. So if you want to do that, select the photo you want to rotate, click on the crop overlay tools, then use the shortcut R, then drag the angle, slide or click and drag outside the drop box to rotate the photo manually. You can also use the bottom tools bar also in the library. So if you want to do that, just go to your library model. You can also use the rotate icon in the bottom tools bar. If you don't see them, press T to toggle the tools bar visibility. You can also use the right click menu. So if you want to do that, just right click on the photos and select the rotate left or rotate right from the context menu. Then you can now rotate your photo. So with these 4 methods right here, I hope you'll be able to rotate your photo. So if you find this video helpful, turn on the notification bell and subscribe for more. Thank you.